And welcome to my channel. Today we've got this Dewalt 4 ampere 18 volt XR battery. I'll show you what's wrong with it. First of all, take a look. No bars on the charge, not even registering. On a drill, not even lighting the LED, not a hope. Testing it on the multimeter, I'm getting 12.7374 volts, which is far too low. If I take the lid off this one, have the screws out, with the cells removed from the outer casing, I can see there's a lot of corrosion here, but that's not the most concerning thing, to be quite honest. When you take these out, you have to check the connections. Look at that. The reason why we're not getting the right voltage is we're getting the disconnect there. Complete disconnect. Look, that nickel strip was, the spot weld had given way. So you can see this one side is only this top cell connected. This bottom one's completely disconnected on that side. And as a result, if I check the voltage, here, the bottom one's showing 3.41. but the top one is showing about, what do we see, about half a volt, if you can see that, half a volt. And this happened because of disconnection with this one. This cell was carrying the full load and this was doing nothing, so the voltage never dropped in this, and there was too much pressure in this, and that drained it down to what probably is below recoverable voltage. Be careful when you're doing this. You could cause a cross connection, cause yourselves all sorts of hassle. Working with cells is kind of dangerous. So there we are. Look at these slid out now. Probably take the two out for reasons I'll explain in a moment. So we'll take the bad one first. I think this is the bad one. This is the good one. 3.4. Not getting anything there. Maybe it's because there's so much rust on this other side. I was getting a false reading when it was in the pack. I think there's anything in that cell. I think that cell has gone beyond. Not even. I think this cell here, the top cell in the pack, is past the point of rescue, but I'll put it into the charger to see if it will even recognize it as a battery. It's going to be anything. No. It's not doing anything. No. Try one of other slots. No. No. If you can see the difference in the good cell, if I put it in, it'll do something. You see it's registering and it's showing it's starting to charge it. After rummaging in the spares box, I managed to get this other 20R cell. This one, however, though it's the same type of cell, the same number, the same brand, it's a little bit higher in the voltage than the one that was originally in the battery, so that's coming up to 3. So we probably will get a bit of cell imbalance, but hopefully it'll not be too bad. I'll maybe just connect these two together, put them onto the battery, and see what way it turns out. Right, with the cells attached, we're getting 1 bar, which is very interesting. And we're getting close to 17 volts, which is in the chargeable range, in my opinion. I'll just stick it together and see if I can get it to go, get it to take a charge. Get down into this casing. That's it back together, and it's showing 1 bar. So the next thing to do is try it on the charger, see if anything's different. And it's charging, so we're going to have to leave it a while to see what comes of this. Here we are, we finally got where we want. Solid red light, 3 bars. So we're going to check the voltage now. Right, as I suspected, we have cell imbalance within this battery, so we haven't reached full voltage, 19.68, which is below the 20 volts that we would like. But still in all, we still got a battery that is usable for some applications. I'll test it on a drill. So here we are. Seems to be giving her plenty of power. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and check out my channel for all my other videos.